Welcome to another episode of MechMinds Hub. Are you looking for quick fixes for your plastic household items at home? Let's jump right in. The Plastic Fusion with Milk offers a homegrown solution to mend broken plastic items using a surprising household ingredient, milk. First, heat up some milk until it's warm. Then, pour in a bit of vinegar. This makes the milk split into thick parts called curds and watery part called whey. Scoop out the curds, which are the lumpy bits, and press them through a strainer to get rid of the extra water. Now, you've got something like Play-Doh. Quickly shape this into whatever part of your plastic item is broken or missing. Press it onto the spot that needs fixing. Let it sit until it's totally dry. Once it's dry, it'll be hard and ready to use, just like new plastic. A Sugru molding is a verse. A 3D pen doodling isn't just for art. It's a creative and enjoyable way to repair or customize plastic objects. Imagine having a pen that instead of ink releases a thin stream of melted plastic. As you move the pen, the plastic cools and solidifies, allowing you to draw in 3 dimensions. You can use this technique to fill in cracks or holes in plastic objects, or even add new parts. Just heat up the pen, and you're ready to go. The plastic rivets are tiny but mighty fixers that can securely join broken plastic parts together. They are small plastic pins that you can use to put together pieces that have come apart. Imagine you have a toy or a gadget that's broken into 2 parts. Instead of throwing it away, you can use plastic rivets to join the pieces back together. They work by fitting into holes on each side of the break and snapping in place to hold everything tight. What's cool is that they can also create a pivot point, which means the parts can still move around, like a knee or elbow joint. For outdoor repairs, silicone sealant is an excellent choice to protect plastic items from the elements. It's a type of glue that not only sticks well but also stays flexible once it dries. This means it can handle things like temperature changes and water without cracking or peeling off. It's perfect for garden furniture, tools, or anything that stays outside. You just squeeze some sealant out of the tube onto the broken part, smooth it out, and let it dry. It forms a waterproof layer that can bend and stretch, keeping your stuff safe and sound from rain or shine. For a strong bond, acrylic solvent cement is the go-to adhesive for joining acrylic pieces with precision. It's not like regular glue. Instead, it works by slightly melting the acrylic's surface. When you apply it to the edges of the pieces you want to stick together, it makes the surfaces soft and sticky. Then, as it dries, it hardens again, creating a strong bond that looks seamless. This is because the cement actually fuses the pieces into one, so it's perfect for projects where you need a clear, smooth finish without any visible joints. It's widely used in making models, displays, and even in some types of plumbing. The hot water and cold water technique is a straightforward method for reshaping plastic with just temperature changes. Here's how it works. Start by soaking the plastic in hot water, which makes it soft and flexible. Once it's soft, change its shape to whatever you need it to be. After you've reshaped the plastic, you quickly dunk it in cold water. The cold water cools the plastic down fast, making it hard and solid again in its new shape. In the realm of DIY repairs, friction welding with a rotary tool is a smart technique for fusing plastic parts together. Imagine you have 2 pieces of plastic that you want to stick together. Instead of using glue, you can use a rotary tool, which is a handheld gadget that spins really fast. When you press the spinning part against the plastic, it creates heat from the friction. This heat melts the plastic just enough so that when you push the pieces together, they stick. Once it cools down, you've got a strong weld that holds the plastic together as if it was always one piece. Homemade ugu mixture is a customizable substance you can whip up to craft replacement plastic parts. It's made from silicone caulk, which is the stuff used to seal edges around windows and bathtubs, and cornstarch, a white powder often used in cooking. When you mix them together, they form a dough-like material that can be easily shaped. Press it into a mold to form whatever shape you need, like a replacement part for something that's broken. After a little while, the mixture hardens and turns into a rubbery plastic. Strengthening plastics is a breeze with wire mesh reinforcement, which embeds a wire mesh into a plastic for enhanced durability. This is done by placing the mesh inside the plastic material and then heating it until the plastic melts and surrounds the mesh completely. Once the plastic cools down and solidifies, it forms a reinforced structure that is much more durable and resistant to breaking or bending. This method is commonly used in various applications, such as in construction for making concrete more robust, or in manufacturing to create tough plastic products that can withstand heavy use. By reinforcing plastic with wire mesh, the final product benefits from the combined strength of both materials, ensuring longevity and reliability. For quick and easy fixes, the UV-activated polymer patch hardens under sunlight, making it a convenient repair tool. It stays soft and flexible until it's exposed to sunlight or another source of ultraviolet or UV light. When UV light shines on the patch, it triggers a chemical reaction that causes the polymer to harden quickly. This transformation from soft to hard makes the patch an excellent tool for mending broken objects or sealing leaks. It's very convenient because it works fast and you don't need any additional tools or equipment, just sunlight. This makes it ideal for quick fixes on the go, whether you're repairing a broken toy or fixing a leak in a water hose. Making bioplastic from glycerine and gelatin is a straightforward, eco-friendly process that results in a biodegradable repair material. Mix glycerine, gelatin, and water together and heat the mixture until everything is dissolved. Once it cools, pour it onto a flat surface to dry. As it dries, it turns into a plastic-like material that's not only strong, but also biodegradable. This means it can break down naturally without harming the environment. It's a great alternative to traditional plastics for repairs or crafts because it's made from natural ingredients and is kinder to the planet. Have you tried any of these quick fix methods for your plastic household items? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.